Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another scripture writing. So we are in the month of July. We are over half of the year, and we are still moving forward, which is awesome. And my video's a little bit behind getting them up. I just have had so much going on that I haven't had a chance to edit and get them up. Anyway, I apologize for being a little bit behind. So anyway, I still can't find my July stamp. But we're here in the month of July. And again, I'm writing out these numbers because this is an altered book that I repurposed. I bought it on sale at the end of the year, 60% off. And decided that's a good way to get a planner. And I'm just going to white out with all the stuff I have here and make my own tabs and make my own planner. So it's not December 21, it is July 22. So I am just going to go ahead and start writing my scripture out, and then of course I'm going to put this on speed, come back, read the scriptures that I read for this week from July 4th to July 10th, and I'm going to use this pen, same one I did last week, and we are going to go from there. So this starts with the 4th of July, and we'll end with Sunday, July 10th. And I hope you guys are reading your word as well. So I'm going to put it on fast forward, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we are done for the week of July 4th through July 10th. And what we have here, gotta get a sticker, just white it out that, put some stickers up here on the side, and did a little bit of stamping. And we're going to start out with the book of Hosea, and we're at 10:3. For now they shall say, we have no king, because we fear not the Lord. What then shall a king do unto us? So I just drew some crowns and highlighted the word Lord. The next one is Hosea 13:3. Therefore they shall be as the morning cloud, that's a sunrise in a cloud, and as the early dew that passeth away, as the chaff that is driven with the whirlwind, a little whirlwind, out of the floor, and as the smoke out of the chimney. There's a chimney with some smoke. May not look like that to you, but that's what it was in my head. 25 years was he when he began to reign, and he reigned 29 years in Jerusalem. His mother's name also was Abi, the daughter of Zechariah. And that's, they're talking about Hezekiah, and that's 2 Kings 18:2. Then Isaiah 2:20. In that day, a man should cast his idol of silver and his idols of gold, which they've made, each one for himself to worship, to the moles and to the bats. Interesting that he chose that. So you know, you go look further about cult practices and things with that. The next one we have a woe, which is in Isaiah 5:20. Woe unto them that call evil good and good evil, that put darkness for light and light for darkness, that put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter. And of course, if you have any ounce of discernment, you can see this going on today. And they dare you to say anything about it. But we are calling the opposites right, and the right, we're calling the bad good and the good evil. Sickening, but that prophecy is being fulfilled now. Isaiah 9:6. Got the color of this crown. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. And for those of you who don't have any peace, I'm telling you, he is the Prince of Peace. You need to call upon him, and that's found in Isaiah 9:6. Woo, amen for that, for him being the Prince of Peace. And then Isaiah 10:15, shall the axe boast itself against him that heweth therewith? Or shall the saw magnify itself against him that shaketh it? So again, be humble, know your place. So that is what we have for this week. I will see you next week. And thank you so much for stopping by. And again, the most important thing is that you read your word. This is the time to get closer, not draw away. Don't let fear hold you, because I'm telling you, God has not given us the spirit of fear, but power, love, and a sound mind. So if you feel like one of those things is shaky, come back to Him, because He will give you peace, love, and a sound mind. All right, so take care. God bless. And I dare you to read your word.